What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel where we take ordinary food and turn it into extraordinary meals. And today we're tackling a classic leftover cornbread. Don't you dare think about throwing away that golden goodness. We've got 10, that's right, 10 mind-blowing recipes that will have you saying cornbread for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Sign me up. We're talking sweet, savory, crunchy, creamy, you name it, we got it. So smash that like button, subscribe if you're new to the fam, and let's get this cornbread party started. First up, we're taking French toast to a whole new level. We're going to need about 2 cups of crumbled cornbread, 2 eggs, half a cup of milk, any kind will do, a tablespoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Whisk all that together, soak your cornbread slices, and then sizzle them on a hot griddle until they're golden brown and crispy. Drizzle with some maple syrup, maybe a dollop of whipped cream if you're feeling fancy, and get ready for the best darn French toast you've ever had. Next up, let's turn that leftover cornbread into some killer croutons for your salads. Cube up your cornbread, toss it with some olive oil, salt, pepper, and any other herbs you like. I'm feeling some Italian seasoning today. Spread those bad boys on a baking sheet and bake them in a 350-degree oven for about 10 to 15 minutes until they're nice and crunchy. Trust me, you'll want to put these on everything. Let's get down to some serious comfort food business with this cornbread pudding. You'll need about 4 cups of crumbled cornbread, 4 eggs, 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of sugar. Feel free to adjust to your sweetness preference, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a stick of melted butter because why not? Mix everything together, pour it into a greased baking dish, and bake it in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes to an hour, or until it's set and golden brown. This, my friends, is what dreams are made of. Chapter 4. Cornbread Stuffing. Delight. Cornbread stuffing is a versatile dish that can be enjoyed any time of the year. Crumble up your cornbread, sauté some diced onions and celery in butter until they're soft and fragrant, then toss it all together with some chicken broth, poultry seasoning, salt, pepper, and maybe some chopped cranberries and pecans for a little extra something. Bake it in your favorite dish, or enjoy it as a delicious side dish all on its own. Chapter 5. Cornbread Breakfast Casserole, the ultimate brunch showstopper. This cornbread breakfast casserole is perfect for feeding a crowd or just having leftovers for days. Not that it'll last that long. Brown up some sausage with diced onions and peppers, then layer it in a baking dish with crumbled cornbread, shredded cheese, cheddar and Monterey Jack are my faves, and a mixture of eggs, milk, salt, and pepper. Pop it in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes or until it's golden brown and bubbly, and get ready for the ultimate brunch masterpiece. Chapter 6. Cornbread salad. It's like summer in a bowl. All right, guys, get ready for a flavor explosion. This cornbread salad is about to rock your world. We're talking crumbled cornbread, juicy tomatoes, crunchy cucumbers, sweet corn, crisp bell peppers, red onion for a little bite, and a creamy dressing made with mayo, sour cream, a touch of sugar, and some apple cider vinegar. Mix it all up, let those flavors mingle in the fridge for a bit, and get ready to dive into the freshest, most delicious salad ever. Cornbread pizza. Yes, you read that right. Pizza lovers, this one's for you. We're taking pizza night to the next level with this cornbread crust. You'll need 2 cups of crumbled cornbread, an egg, and a 1/4 cup of milk. Mix it all together, press it into a pizza pan, and pre-bake it for about 10 minutes at 400 degrees. Then, top it with your favorite sauce, cheese, and toppings. I'm going all out with pepperoni, sausage, mushrooms, and onions, and bake it for another 10 to 15 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. It's pizza time. Get ready for Taco Tuesday with a twist. Crumble up some cornbread, about 2 cups should do it, and mix it with an egg and a 1/4 cup of milk. Form the mixture into small taco shells and bake them in a preheated 400-degree oven for about 10 to 12 minutes or until they're golden brown and crispy. While those are baking, get your taco fillings ready. I'm going with seasoned ground beef, shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, cheese, sour cream, and guacamole. Fill those crispy cornbread shells and get ready for a flavor fiesta. Let's turn those leftover cornbread crumbs into some adorable and delicious mini muffins. You'll need about 2 cups of crumbled cornbread, an egg, half a cup of milk, a tablespoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix everything together, pour the batter into greased muffin tins, and bake them in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they're golden brown and a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. These little guys are perfect for breakfast, snacks, or even dessert with a little butter and honey. Last but not least, we're going all out with these epic cornbread nachos. Crumble up your cornbread, spread it out on a baking sheet, and bake it in a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes to crisp it up. Then let's get layering. Start with a generous sprinkle of cheese. I'm using a blend of cheddar and Monterey Jack, then pile on your favorite nacho toppings. I'm talking seasoned ground beef, black beans, diced tomatoes, onions, jalapenos, sour cream, guacamole, and all the salsa. Pop it back in the oven until the cheese is melted and bubbly, and get ready for the ultimate game day snack attack. Yo, what's up everyone? I hope you enjoyed these epic cornbread transformations as much as I did. We just took leftover cornbread to a whole new level. We're talking French toast, croutons, pudding, stuffing, casserole, salad, pizza, tacos, muffins, and nachos. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're ready for more crazy food challenges and delicious recipes. Make sure you're subscribed and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any of the awesomeness. Peace out.